Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wofre me Addo searching him.
Abusia eja dem aye pinso ene Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association and the krata ba bontin e ka kire mo members health professionals nyina any health students say fiti eneko moko hospitals or clinics facility bia we adwuma including mu amu school mu ko school a mo ye clinicals mo ye rotation wherever you find yourself we ye nursing ho adwuma fakojan ebouti ene wonsa na omo ye oye kire tia this useless NDC government na ade nti omo so omo ye kire nyina ne say eye na na ado aban ene omo sign a collective agreement a form working conditions ehun. Now this NDC government wants to vary it or person omo renegotiate. Now what kind krata na omo state wo emphatically say renegotiation it's not to better their lives but rather to worsen it and into normal year that demonstration. Now you see, it's yare abakrum, me okoto, can farm home, is a community, many health professional. But near concern, Emma me how ungrateful health professionals, especially more school, more ye. Now the collective agreement on nurse for health professionals as sign. Salene mo do, nem quite warm. It was good, like it was good, and a bit nurse for midwives. But some of you, mobile social media, na much phone is when you know dear Kufu at them, no more DMPP at them, especially student nurses. So that we have some of them on this app. No more, just almost your campaign, Mama Hama, any money, Mubekaya before elections, you know. Me catch them we say mo amoye bonia ya mo bo Akufo Addo tiri so Nyankopon betua mo ka 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 akatua na no na yeba no enya agoro na yedio yeni mudi nkomo chire mu say Dr. Baomia de aburo chire bagana no na enya politics ne yo ene time and the realities of governance I confirm answer na na ye ka chire mo because those useless NDC government gains are making in the last 5 months. CDI appreciate all your eba form. Any near maybe a one more person are anchored in the revolutionary policies program since share pa Dr. Baomia introduce ye Ghana system structures are what share digital economy our building digitalization our taking the World Cup to make sure say Ghana we are rocking shoulders with developed wars to the extent say and the US to me be Ghana esunya and UK be Ghana esunya Canada be Ghana esunya so asem na me ye ka kire mo and the time has confirmed it. Dr. Baumia ka kire mo say Ghana card a very important than 200 interchanges no. Some of you na margin mu ha untimi engineering hwe kan you can analyze situations and issues na mo sere no and le mo hwe ne Mahama say ne obi a uni car bia ne car no is linked to the Ghana card. Nti ahu hia se ebenya physical tool. O cause any traffic infraction and one say yahu ya TF mobile money mu na say wo bank account mu. Sa na ma we nyina has become possible because of Baomia. And Baomia link wo Ghana card to your bank account. Wa link it to your mobile money. Wa link it to your SNET. While link it to DVLA driver's license, while link it to everything, the digital footprint of every Ghanaian is solid because of Ejumapa, Dr. Baomia Aye. You see, Dr. Baomia Ghanaians, you will miss him. You will be missing him for these 4 years because these structures are what they have to do. These useless NDC government, they cannot utilize it. They cannot utilize it. But we have another opportunity to bring this fine brain to come and transform Ghana to make sure say you're formalizing Ghana. Ama be who US now cause traffic infraction and their police power won't do it. Camera capture. Yeah, they will be obebra. No entry. When which mu time said then could I will be tia when tia or credit score never say. But me had the credit score by as I near my way and kept me a force Ghana for mobile costing infractions some moment. But this NDC government almost knew anything about this credit scoring system. It won't be implemented. And this idea way or more year crown and try and successful because Obi betimi decide so untia and ntimi nya ne hwe affecting the credit affecting the ability to buy things and nya ne hwe. Tell the American what I say. You see, men kasa be.
Corona bae, mo kai no. E be expose yen. E ma vaccine ho be ye controversy bebre e na bae. That time na honorable Ajimamenu and na ye health minister at that time. Olumen yan ko bra me say that yen Canada for kra na yen vaccine even to. It me firstly I may say Nana Akufo-Addo has secured 20 million vaccines. So I say, hey, walk off my 20 million vaccine. No, say yampa o, sane yampa. And a yama esu maybe an nimsa Addo bansem. Dining hall prefect Jimmy Phobia was so cocoa as went to me and yida. Ebeka chere say Ajimamenu ye kronfo na we ska. Now, what advances come will be what yenya sebe the product. Ye discuss koto ambulance, ye didn't turn through a brain. There was nothing wrong for Akando to talk about. Vaccine and yenya bino. No mutia Captain Smart no moka. Monko ka say, and a vaccine wa obedani or Satana or Angel TV, say Angel FM. Wa, obedani or and more women at the ade. Nenya kupon good anymore as na de minim de one Muhammad e be nkomo na Muhammad ko wo ye ansa na NDC for hukum but still na kwabra meta kando e fight here make agenda 111 or say it is never true. I'm the ranking member on health. Obi, I sit here as the ranking member now we Obi su Jimmy. Oh, honorable, I know, and you know he's lying, but the idea mounty Obi also fumoko wakana nwatu. And I'm in can do it ditro. It is never true. It is never true. Obi, what the next week come back? Because almost say agenda 111. I know my me came. Na afei na ya announce first grand near 88. Near 88. And a chain ya koye yini na ba ni say there be we need more than the day, more than the 88. In a bay 111. And I were here omo and I can't about power. The same product now, the year campaign TI and say, Yenya agenda 111 be bois, MPP for bois, a tro in 3 months. I can't do it maybe see 30 agenda 111 commission. In 3 months. In 3 months, I approve Kwabena Minta Kando as health minister. No, well, to me, I see agenda 111 no, a mumma 30 a commission. That's it. Adiana na any hono. Agenda 111 na yet trono. Oba them wetumi akọ commission. Wetumi akọ commission. Nobody is asking anything. Like this is the time I say kamu bisa say honorable o kasa agenda 111 enye no kre. Na say dia o commission no oba ye blocks ahin na wele we are not asking that. We are not asking that. We are not. Na dia a boom abem I ma me de akando beka